Hello, my name is Super Noob, and today me and my friend Alsa are playing game called Camping 2. We are waiting for almost 1 hour. No one is sitting on the last 3 seats. Please guys, sit. Faster. Please, we need 3 more people. Help. Okay, 2 people. Faster, faster. Guys, please. Please. Help. I don't know what to do. Is he an idiot? Player Piotrek is idiot. Okay. Are they stupid? Or am I? Okay. One more person. Hooray! Haha. I'm sorry I was not uploading for such a long time. I was really busy. Okay, now we are going in this stupid fog. Someone left the boat. Traitor. Okay. The white screen and Terra Park. Okay, let's look around. What I can do here? Welcome to Terra Park. I'm Park Ranger Daniel, and I'll be serving as... Okay, let's start with quick tour. Keep an eye out for useful items along the way. I don't see any useful items, except this bridge. This is the campsite, where half of you will be sleeping tonight. It's going to be a blast. Follow me to check our new location. So, how? Oh, okay. Let's go, Alsa. Faster. Faster. I can do that. Okay. Hello, Daniel. Daniel, hello. Daniel, wait. Daniel, wait. Welcome to cabin. Tonight, half of you will be sleeping here. Sleep. I don't care. Okay, let's sit. Hello. And by the way, I'll show you where the bathroom is. You can buy this t-shirt and these trousers in my official group. I'll leave link in description. Okay, Alsa, wait. Alsa, wait for me. Do we really need to go to this bathroom? What is waiting us here? Okay. I'm teleporting, haha! Okay. Now I'm in the mirror. Look how handsome am I. The mirror is kind of dirty. Okay. This is not funny. Oh. Haha! I'm impaled! Haha! Okay. Whoa, sorry guys, we must be having some electrical problems. You got nothing to worry about, folks. We'll have it. Okay, I don't read it so fast. Anyways, that concludes our short tour. I'll give you some time to settle in, search the forest and prepare for nightfall. Okay. The hall, the bathroom, and the cabin. Okay, let's search something here. Okay, I don't like this hole. Let's go. This tree is fun. Let's hug him. Hugging trees. For life. In peace. Haha. Okay, Alsa. Maybe sleeping in the cabin. It's getting late. Let's split into 2 sleeping groups. I'll be staying with the group at the cabin. I need to go to the group in the cabin. Okay. Dark. This is so much fun, guys. Okay. I don't need this stupid dance. I don't need this. Okay, let's see what is here like. Wow, these clothes are cool. let's watch what we can find here. Oh, hello Elsa. Elsa, hello. Hello. Why are you staying here? Let's go this. Okay. Run. Why? I don't know. Okay, let's run to the opposite side. Ah, what is this? Okay, I get it. Quick, run to the cabin. Ha, that's my line. Okay, Elsa is not doing something right. I don't know where the cabin is. Elsa, help me. Harry gets inside of the cabin. What if I stay outside? Okay, I won't be checking this. Hooray! I stuck at the bed. Every morning. Look at me. Why they are watching to the window? Oh, this scene is pretty scary. Let's do something. I think he's gone. No, let's go there. I can go outside. Who was that? We don't know. It attacked us at the tent. Where is Daniel? He said he had to use the bathroom. He should be back soon. Or his image. Okay, Elsa. Let's try to knock and get out of this stupid place. Okay, why is everyone standing here? Do you have some problems? Huh, he can't go here. Out. Someone gets out. Hey guys, are you okay? I heard some screaming. Were you telling scary stories? No, we were attacked at the tents and run here. There is someone out there. Don't be silly, I know you're just trying to scare me. We're the only ones here. You guys probably just need some sleep. Good night. I don't want to sleep, I want to run. Elsa wants to run too. Elsa is a little bit damaged. Okay, let's sleep. Also, you can buy my alpha or beta version of the game. I'll link in the description too. Let's go find him. Daniel seems to be talking this all very lightly. Yes, I think this is too. Hey guys, who is excited to go hiking? Me! Me! What is hiking? I'll give a reward to anyone brave enough to complete Pinewood Trail. Okay, give me reward. So, okay, let's go to the Daniel. Hello, Daniel. Help me, I stuck at the tree. Good luck. Okay, let's see. Guys, as you can remember, I hate obbies. But let's jump. Okay, that was easy. Oops. We are stupid with Elsa. Hooray! Oops. Okay, one more time. I think Elsa is already dead. Okay. Next turn. Okay, let's see what we can got here. Okay, my dog is barking, sorry for that. Hooray! I completed this obby. Can I get a reward? Please. Hooray, I have a sandwich. Haha, everyone got a sandwich. Night is approaching. So, what do I need to do now? Okay, Daniel, what I should do? Tell me, please. Daniel. What do we got here? Rain. Okay, rain. Hello, rain. Oh no, it's raining. Get inside fast. I already got. You are telling everything too late. Hello, Daniel. Why are you here? So what should we do now? Let's go outside? Or no? What is here like? Okay. It is a little bit dangerous. But actually I don't care. 10 seconds. 5. 9. Okay. The rain is over. What should I do now? Looks like the storm ruined our life. Not fire, life. Search the campgrounds for some dry wood. We will start a new one. Okay. This is wood. Wood collected. Let's collect this wood. Also, help me collect this wood. I'll take this log and you take that log. Okay. Hello, Daniel. Any thoughts about what is going on here? I'll take some sandwich. Huh! I learned a new superpower. I can eat sandwich without hands. Look. Ha! Wood collected. I'm super brave. Good job. Meet back at the tents. Okay, tents. Hello, tents. I was here, so let's try this tent. Hello, tent. Your beautifully green tent. Okay, let's set here. What I can do is eating sandwich. Good job getting the fire started. If you'll excuse me, I need to grab something I forgot at the cabin. Okay, grab. I don't think we can go here, but okay, I get it. I think something would be wrong now. Or no. Let's see. I can get burned on fire or not. What is she writing? Come. Okay, come. Where? So what is she doing? Okay, she is just stupid as me. Like. Oh no, detonator. Do you hear that? So that was really a detonator. Elsa, run away. This is a bomb. It's an explosive. Run for your lives. Okay, run. Elsa would be get hurt here. Okay. Ouch. 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 I think this is Daniel is killing us. Okay. One more explosions and me and Elsa is dead. Cause I told you I hate obbies. I think that's all of them. Okay, Elsa, if you think so, I will agree with you. These mines have been here for a long time. Someone must have been activated them remotely. Okay, activate this remotely. I'm super parkourer, Elsa, let's jump here. Or let's hack some trees. Huh, I love trees. Look at my handsome red face. Hey, I just finished getting what I need. Are you guys okay? Are you stupid? You just blown us. We are not okay. Someone placed an explosive over the campsite. And I know this is you. Explosives? You gotta be kidding me. How about we go to the sleep and deal with this tomorrow? Stop dealing everything tomorrow. Wait, I see something in blue tent. Elsa, you see an weapon? Okay, there is a gun in here. Let's kill this. Daniel, Also, kill Daniel, please. If this is you, kill him. Okay. She won't kill him. She is with him. Kill him. Do it. Now. Please. Faster. Okay. So, I stand by my decision. She killed him. Ha! Now we don't have this stupid idiot. Okay, I am too lazy to read her lines. You can read this and tell me in comments what was it. Daniel was the murderer. I knew it. Okay, let's now give him some sandwiches. Ha. Sorry, please. I don't want to go to sleep. Okay. I think we need to go somewhere. I think around here. Hug some trees also, join me. Hug some trees with me. Haha, we are hugging trees. Also, hug the tree. Hug the tree. Also, hug the tree. I insist, hug the tree. Please. Also, hug the tree. Like that. Yeah. Night is approaching. I think we need to go to the hall. Nope. Okay. And by the way, guys, have you seen Yankee with no brim? And what do you think about this coffin dances Nibas? Tell me in the comments. Hurry, get inside. How do I get inside? Okay. That was not so. Okay, we are only 3 left. Hello. Let's climb on this bed. Yeah. That was fun. Okay, let's look on the Elsa face. Elsa, wait. Elsa, wait. Okay. Hello, Elsa's face. Elsa, stop jumping. Elsa's face is so ugly. I can't stand it. Where the buildings went? I know. Okay.